Many Excel worksheets contain data and time entries. We can see that in this worksheet called Date and Time. In columns B and C, birthdays and holidays are displayed in the month, day, year format. In column I, the dates are displayed differently. The month is in a 3-letter abbreviation. It may be better to display it this way if you get data from different countries. Sometimes it can cause confusion as to whether a date displayed in the US format is March the 6th or June the 3rd, for example. If the data is in a column where there's no other selection, then we can select the whole column. Column C may be okay for you, but before changing the format, we could right-click column C and go to Format Cells. That's one of the ways we can get to the dialog box. This gives us a chance to change the display of dates. On the Number tab, the category date has a number of built-in date formats. You can pick which is best for you. Some show leading zeros for months and days. You could have the whole month, day and year spelled out. So different options there. You could also click Modification if you want to see the entire year. You could also show a 4-digit year instead of a 2-digit year. So in column C, all the year entries will be in 4 digits. These formats can be changed quickly and easily. You're not changing the content, and Excel is storing this data numerically behind the scenes. You can also create your own formats. You can do that, but it's probably faster if you use the standard built-in formats. The format in column I for sales dates. You may want this, but you also might want to show day of the week as well. If we right-click column I and go into your format cells again, we could begin by going to the date format here and choosing the one that we already see, and from that point go over into the category called Custom. So let's look at the display that says D-MMM-YY. So D means display the number of the day of the month, MMM means display a 3-letter abbreviation of the month, and a 2-digit year. If you want to show day of the week at the beginning, we'll put in the 3 Ds as an abbreviation, or 4 Ds to spell it out. You may want to put a comma after that and a space. You could experiment with it to get the format you want, like 4 Ds to spell out the day of the week, 3 to abbreviate, and then click OK. You'll have to readjust the column width by double-clicking this right border, and now we see the display. It does take up a lot of space, but you can make adjustments. If you're in a hurry, you can use one of the standard built-in formats, but if you want one of the additional features, then go into Format Cells and into the Custom category and make changes to the existing layout by altering the Ds, Ms and Ys. Excel also handles time dates, but then the question is whether you wish to use the 24-hour format or the AM/PM format. If you choose AM/PM, then consider that after selecting these cells and the columns, you could do a right-click and then choosing Format Cells, again this time focusing on the time category. This is usually the second or the third option. The second option uses the 24-hour style, such as 13:30 for 1:30 PM. The PM option shows as AM/PM in a display. It's possible to customize time displays. The standard built-in features tend to work best and cause less problems for others who use the software later on. So it's fairly easy to change the display of times and dates according to what works best for you.